Today, what I wanted to do is show you guys real quick how to change the headlights on this truck into new headlights. Let's get into it. Alright, so if you haven't checked me out already on Instagram, please do so. I'll put a link in the description. So I bought this 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. It has a 8-foot bed in the back. It's pretty stock. It's an SLT. You could see how there's some wear on it. The headlights are pretty foggy. There's stuff that I gotta fix. The mirror's cracked. The radio doesn't, the volume doesn't work too well. This is jacked up here. The seat cushion sucks. The paint, there's some scratches and dents in it. The tailgate does not go down, it's stuck. So I'll be doing a video on my updates and the mods. But today, what I wanted to do is show you guys real quick how to change the headlights on this truck into new headlights. So once you have the hood popped, you can grab either, I think those are torque, or a 10mm socket. Now undo these two bolts here. You can see the new headlight assemblies there. And see what else, they should slide out. In addition to changing the headlight assembly, I'm also going to upgrade the bulbs to LEDs. So the Dodge Ram has, this is a 2008 1500 SLT, single cab, 8-foot bed, CANBUS electrical. So we're gonna see if the ones that I purchased, and I'll put links in the description for all of this, if it work, if it's gonna give me issues. All right, and once you have those two bolts out, there's another one in there that you have to access by removing this garment here, and you see it right there. So with the same 10mm, gonna loosen it up. It was not tight at all, and still coming. All right, I'm gonna slide it. I'm gonna put it up here. Slide it out. Whoa. Undo, twist, and undo the light. Take this out. And that's it. So reinstall everything. So let me show you how to do the LED bulb. Try this LED decoder to try to remedy the CANBUS issue. And so this resistor will help with the hyperflash. I already went ahead and tested it and it works. So one end, it's very simple. There's two wires that are coming out from the resistor. One plugs into the negative here, and the other one plugs into the yellow and green wire that you see right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back and do a test.
A few moments later.
Alright, so as you can see, it's nighttime. Went ahead and put everything back. These are the headlights, the LEDs that I installed. And I'll put links in the description for all these parts. I recommend these headlights because A, they were $32. You could get them on Amazon. And B, if the light ends up flickering, you could reach out to the company and they'll send you the adapter kit for the anti-flicker, And if you know Dodge Rams, and they have the CANBUS electrical system, so highly recommend these. For the turn signal not to go crazy, showed you the 50 watt 6 ohm resistors to install that come with the T-top, and it brings 4 of them, so you just need one on each turn signal. And I do plan on doing the fog lights, so I might need those for the fogs. So real quick before I head out, turn on so you could see. So there you have the switch box. You can see that over here, when the turn signal is engaged, it blinks. Otherwise it is just clear white. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go take the car, drive it around, so you can see what it looks like at night. Alright, let's go. Alright, so I'm parked in the middle of the street here by my house, and you can see this is 30% windshield tint, so it's a little deceiving. So when you put it out, you can see how much brighter, and that's normal lights, that's not the high beams. Interestingly enough, when you put the high beams, it looks like that. So that's normal, and this is high beams. Okay, so again, with the 30% tint on the windshield, very, very deceiving. But when you look at it on the outside, super bright. Alright, so I'm going to park real quick and show you the switch back. When the turn signal or the flasher is on, there's the light output. I think it's pretty good. And so what I like about the LED head bulbs that I bought is that if your truck does end up flickering, or your car ends up flickering, the lights flicker, you could reach out to the company and they'll send you anti-flicker device. So check those out. I think they were $32 or $33 on Amazon. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks guys, peace out.